Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. And in case you're wondering what Pura is, Huawei has decided to upgrade the Huawei P series to the Huawei Pura series. And they say that Pura is all about celebrating the desire to express creatively and to challenge the current limitations of mobile imaging for a better mobile photography experience. Pura is also about integrating fashion and technology, pioneering unique and modern design innovations. And you can see that with the beautiful vegan leather back, as well as the very noticeable camera bump. Now, talking about that camera bump, it consists of a 40 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 50 megapixel ultra lighting pop-out camera, and a 50 megapixel ultra lighting macro telephoto camera. But the one you're going to love the most is the 1-inch sensor 50 megapixel ultra lighting pop-out camera. Now, looking at the right hand side of the device, you've got a volume rocker, a power button, and on the left hand side it's completely empty. At the bottom of the device you have a SIM card tray, USB-C port, and speaker grill. And at the top you've got a microphone and infrared sensor. You'll notice that unlike everyone else has decided to go for flat edges and a completely flat display, Huawei has decided to keep a little bit of that curve, making the device more ergonomic. It's not as dramatically curved as previous devices, but it is still there and it feels really good in the hand. Now, looking at what else is included in the box, Huawei has of course included a SIM card ejection tool, as well as a very stylish case, which is not one of those clear TPU cases. This is a case that will color match your device and keeps in line with the new Pura branding, focusing on fashion and style. And it too has a vegan leather back. You'll notice though that it doesn't cover all the way around the rim of the device, and it leaves the sides mostly exposed, giving you easy access to the volume rocker, the power button, and of course the USB-C charging port. But it'll do a great enough job of keeping your device secure, especially the back. Huawei has of course also included a charging brick, and this one is a 100 watt Huawei supercharged charging brick, which means you can charge your laptop and your phone, as you can see, via the USB-C port and the USB-A port. The company has also included a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Now, when you switch the device on, you'll notice that it is powered by EMUI and not Harmony OS. And the Pura 70 Ultra comes with 16 gigs of RAM, and Western versions will have 512 gigs of storage. Now, the standout feature of the camera is the pop-out functionality. To make something with such mechanical moving parts and still keep an IP68 rating is impressive. You'll notice, despite running EMUI and not having access to Google mobile services, you are still able to install Google apps on the device, and that's by using microG. Now, you are able to go and install Gbox if you want the Play Store, but microG allows you to install the Google apps without having to install the Play Store. You'll also see that Huawei follows a very similar notification setup to Apple. If you pull down from the left hand side of the display, you're able to check all your notifications. If you pull down from the top right of the display, you're able to get to your control center. And that is the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. It is an impressive piece of work, with arguably the best camera on any smartphone to date, and one of the most striking designs you'll ever see on any smartphone this year.